So most people solve this question like 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Then 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So now 4 divided 2 is equal to 2. 10 divided 6 divided 2 is equal to 3. So the answer is 2 upon 3. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. Is equal to 10 minus, now 6 divided 3 is equal to 2 multiply 2. Now here is one subtraction and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication. To solve subtraction is equal to 10 minus, now 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So the correct answer is 6.